Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY, and today we are looking at the Bora Care. It's a termicide, insecticide, and fungicide concentrate. If you've got termites in your house, carpenter ants, wood destroying beetles, or if you've got a fungus, this will take care of it. Let me give you a couple of pro tips though on how to use it. This comes very thick. It's almost like a syrup. So what I do is I will use warm water instead of tap water when I mix it. That helps an awful lot. And use a power mixer of some kind. I like to use a sprayer like this one here, but if you do not use a warm water in a power mixer and get it mixed very well, it's going to clog the tip. A couple of other things to keep in mind is you want to wear protective clothing. You do not want to get this product on your skin. You really don't want to get it on your clothing itself. Be sure you're wearing protective gloves to keep it off your skin that way, and also wear protective eyewear and a good respirator. Those will all help you when you are applying this product. The way you will mix and use this product, you'll do a 1-to-1 if you have a infestation at this moment, you're trying to get it under control. You'll use a 2-in-1 if you're coming back later as a follow-up, and if you want to do a preventative, you can go as low as a 5-in-1 mixture. So I hope this helps. We'll see you guys on the next review.